China invaded Taiwan, what would the United States and its allies actually do? First move, diplomacy. I'd expect rapid condemnations at the UN, emergency summits, a push to isolate Beijing politically. Almost in parallel, sanctions on Chinese banks, key tech, energy would aim to raise the costs fast. Think Russia style, but scaled for the world's second largest economy, which means markets everywhere feel it. At sea, the US could tighten the screws without firing first. Using naval power to interdict China-bound shipments, especially energy, not a total blockade at the start, more like a targeted choke on critical flows. On the military side, the US strategy is denial. That means getting combat-capable forces and munitions to Taiwan on timelines that actually matter to make any invasion difficult and painful to sustain. Think air defenses, anti-ship missiles, drones, ISR support, plus US and allied assets operating around the island to complicate China's advance. Allies? It's mixed. Washington is pressing Japan and Australia to spell out roles. Japan is the closest to providing meaningful support. Australia has will but limited capacity, and it won't pre-commit troops. South Korea has capacity but likely sits out. Europe could help with subs, munitions, drones, but many are divided on going to war with Beijing. Expect limited support, not a NATO-style coalition. Over all this hangs nuclear signaling. China's rapid nuclear buildup, subs, dual-capable bombers, IRBMs, would be used to warn off deep US intervention, much like Russia did in Ukraine. Here's the twist: strategic ambiguity. The US deliberately refuses to say exactly how far it would go. That uncertainty deters Beijing from betting on a quick win, and deters Taipei from unilateral moves toward independence. Bottom line, diplomacy and sanctions first, maritime pressure next, and denial-focused military help if needed, wrapped in ambiguity that keeps China guessing.